Using the Programming Commands panel, you can write programs to control the robot from MATLAB. So add line to a current point is gonna add the instruction move BTB line to the current point with the following x, y, z coordinates and the following alpha, beta, gamma angles. You can clear it. Add joints to current point. It's gonna add the move BTB in joint space to the coordinates to the current coordinates of the robot. And add joints to a custom point. It's gonna add the instruction move BTB in joint space to some custom point, for example to minus 90. Just take J6 to also minus 90, minus 90, and J1 to plus 90 or plus 45. I do not want the robot to go out of the field of the view of the camera. So then add joints to current point. Then you can say play program. See that the robot is moving. The robot has executed the program. For example, I can add joints to custom point, and I can change the angular values. J4 is also minus 90, but J5, J6, I'm gonna put it like plus 90. Okay, and we're gonna say play program. Then what am I gonna do is I'm gonna activate the precision hand guiding, and I'm gonna move the robot in the Z direction. So afterwards, I'm gonna add an instruction add line to current point. Then I'm gonna play the program. The robot is moving slowly in the Z direction toward the specified point. So after finishing, you can save your program. First prog, save, can clear the command line. At any time, you can load the program that you have saved, and you can run it again. You can also change the value of the outputs. Clear CMD. To show it better to you, I'm gonna move the interfactor of the robot towards the camera. Activate the precision hand guiding. So I have a pneumatic valve that is connected to the electric outputs of the flange. So if I activated pin 1 and deactivated all of the other pins, the end effector of the robot, this gripper is gonna close. So I'm gonna put those instructions in the command line where I put pin 1 to on and the other pins to off, and then I'm gonna play the program, and you see that the gripper has closed. Now to open the gripper, I have to put 24 volts on pin 11, or I have to drive pin 11 to logical 1, while the others shall be 0. We're seeing here pin 11 is on, the others are off. I play the program and the effector has opened. I'm gonna clear everything. I'm gonna clear the command line. Then afterwards I'm gonna put all of the outputs to 0. Gonna play the program. You hear the sound of the valve, the sound of the air, it went out, and I turned off the valve. The gripper is still open. So this is how you can program the robot from this interface, how you can add lines or add motion in joint space, how you can program the robot to play the program, clear the command line, clear one of the instructions from the command line. For example, I want to delete this instruction, out of pin 1 off. So clear selected, apply, and it was deleted. And you can play, for example, only one instruction. Like play this instruction here that I selected, play. Of course, nothing is going to happen because the pin is already off and nothing is connected to pin 12. But to show you, for example, what's going to happen is I'm going to clear the command line. I'm going to load the program that we have just saved. Then I'm going to move in joint space to one of those instructions, for example, to this point. If I select it, apply, see that the robot has moved in joint space to this position. I can move to the first configuration where the robot was in. If I select it, apply. So you see, sorry, this is the second position. First is this one. I select it. There it is. So you see that the fourth joint angle is about 90, minus 97. The others are almost 0.